Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching your video. So, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new series where I will be exploring and sharing you my knowledge on basics of Excel and use of AI tools like ChatGPT 3.5 or 4.0 version, Google Bard or Google Gemini, and Copilot. So, without wasting much time, let's get to the screen. So you can see it's a default screen. Whenever you open a new Excel sheet, it's look like this. So it's basically working area. The white area where there are small boxes are known as cells. You can see my cursor is moving around where the green area is a specific cell, and each cell is a unique one. I will show you why. You can see on the top of these cells there are alphabet numbers from A, B, C, D. It's basically are known as columns. So the column start from A till last one is XFD. So this much number of columns are there in a single sheet of Excel. Similarly, there are rows which are numbered. It is numbered from the left side from 1, 2, 3, 4 till 1000. Just a minute. There is something. Yes. So the Excel rows are from starts from 1 till 1,48,576. So it's a maximum area in which you can work in a single Excel sheet. So this is a, you can say, as positive as well as negative side. Negative because more than, if you have data more than that, you can't work in a single sheet. So that's a basic function of Excel. Now you can see that's a default screen where the upper area there are various tabs which we call in Excel. First is file tab. I am clicking on it, which will have multiple uses. Then a home tab, then insert tab, then page layout tab, then formula tab, data tab, review tab, view tab, developers tab, and help tab. Some of you might not see the developer tab. I will show you in the later how we can enable it. So without much thing much, also I will show that in the right side you will show a scroll bar, and also in the download also, where you can move your sheet as per your need. And in the left side you can see it's sheet 1. It's basically some might be visual, some might have been sorry, some might some might can see 3 sheets by default or 1. It's basic on your settings, and as soon as I click the plus sign, this can add a new sheet as per our need. So I will add 2 more sheets, though it's basically sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. You can change it, rename it, color it. We can do multiple things. So starting from A, first I will try to type something. Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube Pathshala. So this is my, I have just typed in the text, hello everyone, welcome to YouTube Pathshala. Now I can perform various type of things here. So just follow my instruction and you will get a basic glimpse of what the Excel does. So firstly I will try to move from this H cell to the first or second cell. So how can I do it? I need to just use the home tab features, and in the left side you will see a scissor, that's a cut. It just help us to move data from a single cell to another. So I will just click on it. So you will see there are moving lines around the selection area. Now we will be moving it to another cell. Suppose B5. We will come here and we will click on the paste one. So there are shortcuts also, but I will first show from the long area. Once you are you are used to what the exactly work is or what the exactly function looks like, then we will move to shortcuts. So this was the copy paste feature. Now suppose I want to cut paste feature. Now suppose I want to just keep the area, keep the same text in 2 cells. I need to just copy from one to another, not to cut. There is difference between cut and copy. Cut means to move as it is, copy means to make a duplicate. So for the function of copy, I will again select the selection area. Suppose this one, I will click on the copy, that's the second option after the cut. I will click on it. So there will be a selection area, the cells, there are moving lines, and suppose I want to copy it into K5. So I will select the cell and click on paste. So you can see there are two same text. The duplicate text is also available and the original text is also available. It's a copy paste feature. Now these are two primary feature. Now I just need to if you know some basics of Word or some PowerPoint or text, we can change the text style or text size. Suppose I want to change the text style to make it a little bit bolder. So I will come on the second part of the home tab. You can see it's a font tab, where I will be clicking on this down arrow. That's where you can change your font. So I will click on it, and you can see there are number of various fonts available by default in the Excel sheet. So I will click on Arial Black. You can type it Arial Black, or you can scroll down and select it. In my case it's visible on the fourth or fifth option, so I am selecting it. So you can see from the original one it has been changed to Arial Black. And suppose I need to just increase the color of increase the size of the text, so I will just click on the other number drop down, where you can see it is showing at font size. I just need to click the drop down and select the maximum size that I need to suppose I need to change from 11 to 14. I will click on 14. You can also manually type here. Suppose I need to in between size, suppose 15, so I will try and type it 1 5. Okay, so it's been moving from from the original text we have changed the font size as well as font to a different one from the original one. This is one of the feature. Suppose this is again back to original text. We have original text. We need to make it little bold. Bold is like feature or text where the text a little bit darker one. So I will just click on this B button, B option. As soon as I click on this, you will see from the original thinner one, my text has been little bit bold. So it's one of the function. It is used when we will do some practical assignments later on. You will know the exact use case of it. I am just giving an overview about it. After that, there is one more option, that suppose you need to, I will again copy the original one, because you will understand what is exactly happening. I am copying for 2 times. Okay. So in the second case, just like bold, there is one more option, italic, where the font are little bit moved towards one direction, a right one. So as soon as I select my selection area where I need to apply the effect, I will click on the second option, that's italic. Click on italic, and you can see the font has been a little bit bent towards rightward, and it's giving a different look. So it's basically for the presentation use. And thirdly, I will again back to the original text, and there is one more option, there is U and underline. So it's an underline function. As soon as I click on it, you will see entire my text has been a single underline has been added to it. You can change the underline style later on. These are the primary text use that we can do. There are further options we can do, or further features we can explore. I will show some more also in this video only. I will again copy paste the same text 2-3-4 times so that you can know what it is. Now I will try to rename it. Suppose first one was the bold effect, second one was italic, third was underline, fourth we will be changing the text color. Before that we will be changing cell color, and last one will be border effect. So coming back to cell color is basically, you can see by default the text doesn't have any background color. It's basically white or nothing. So I will try to change this. For that I will just go on the fifth option of the font subtab, where it is showing fill color, and for temporary purpose I will click on the fill button. So it will basically, I will just increase the size, make our cell color fill from the transparent or white background to yellow one. You can choose different colors. you can just explore the drop down arrow and you can see a multiple colors options that Excel is offering. You can also customize colors based on by clicking on more options. There are standard colors and customized colors. Customized color means you can define red, blue, green, and based on it you can create a new color in case that is not available. So it's one of the feature that you can change your cell color. Similarly, there is option to change your text color. So by default you can see a and a bold line. You can click on it and your text color will become from the default black to a red one. Similarly, you can, in case you need to change to a different color, you can explore the options. There are theme colors, standard colors, and there are more colors option similar to in the color fill option, where there are standard colors as defined and customized color where you can define color based on your red, green and blue color combination. So that's the text part. It is used mostly in presentation to make your text or data look better. After that, there is one more option that we haven't covered yet. It's a border option. It's actually fourth one after the underline option, and also there is a drop down from which you can explore multiple border lines. Bottom what I will show what exactly each one looks like. Just give me a minute. So for I will choose the first text of the border and then I will click on the default one. So you can see there is a down border on our cell. It's a down border on the same cell. Similarly, I will try to go from the drop down and click on the top border. So you will see there is a top border in our same another cell. Similarly, in the third one I will try to get left border. So I clicked on the left, I choose the left, and you can see the small border is in the left side. And similarly, I will try to choose the right one. So it's on the right side. I think hopefully that you can see it. Please bear me if I am going a little bit faster. In case you can share your queries and thoughts in the comments, and I will try to improve it on it. After that, I suppose I need to get the entire border to the cells, and I will click on the drop arrow and click on the all border, and you can see our entire cell has been covered with a black thin border. So that's a small part of our Excel series, and hopefully that you are enjoying it. Please do share your thoughts, like, share and comment, and please subscribe to our channel so that we will be motivated to share more videos and help us to reach to wider audience. That's from the short video. Thank you. Stay connected. Bye bye.